Well, hi there again and welcome. It's Patricia Laverty from WordPress and looking forward to showing you another lesson on the wonderful WordPress. Today's lesson is on how to install a plugin. Okay, so let's get started. So I've just at one of my websites and I'm just straight into one of the pages. You see over here I'm on pages and I've added a new page just so that we can do the demo. Alright, so we're just going to call this, a testing page for now. And you'll see in our area where we're going to create our text, this is the formatting palette that you get when you install WordPress, and it is limited because, again, WordPress is so powerful, they don't give you everything. They just couldn't. It's too much to give. So they allow you to go and get the things that you need to add to WordPress as you're going along. That's why they've developed plugins. So you can see that in our palette here that we can't change our font or resize our font. So that's a bit limited there. So what we're going to do is install a plugin called TinyMCE Advanced. Alright, so we're just going to pop over to our plugins, so to our plugins menu, and we're going to add new. Okay, so we'll pop over to plugins and add new. Alright, and in our search plugins, remember we're at add plugins page. So over here we're going to type in TinyMCE Advanced, which is what we want. Alright, so TinyMCE Advanced by Andrew Oz is the one we're after, and it was last updated 4 weeks ago, which is excellent. So it's nice and fresh. Alright, so we're going to install now. Yes, I'm sure, so click OK. And you'll see it's already trying to install it. It's installed it here, and then it wants us to activate it. So you can install a plugin, but it's not going to work until you actually activate it. So click on the Activate plugin. And you'll see it will be there. So it was T, so it's alphabetical. And at the bottom, and we have TinyMCE Advanced. Alright, so now we have that. Alright, so now we need to go into Settings and look at TinyMCE Advanced. And we need to select what it is that we want. So here we go. So the thing that I want, I certainly want font family. Drag that up. And I want, there it is, I want font sizes. Couldn't see if we're looking then. So font family and font sizes is what I want to add in there. And you can add all of these as well if you want to, but only add the ones that you really need. Okay, so you can have subscript and superscript if you want to. That's just a quick one to show you how to do that. Okay, and we save the changes. And when we go to our pages again, down to my testing page, we'll edit that. And see, we've got them now. We've got the font family and the font size, and there's our subscript and superscript. So there's the 4 things that I added. I added font family, subscript, superscript, and font sizes. Alright, so that means that when you highlight your text here, you can change the font. and you can change the font size, whereas you couldn't do that before. So it's that simple. You know how to work with fonts, but you couldn't do that, didn't have those things before. So that's how you install and use the Tiny MCE plugin. Obviously then you're going to update your page, whatever you need to do with that. So happy editing. You can go and edit to your heart's content now, and if you need to make any changes and add more, you just go back into your Tiny MCE, into settings. Just go back into settings, go to Tiny MCE Advanced, and then you can add anything else that you want to your formatting area here. Alright, enjoy, and this is Patricia signing off, and I will see you on further lessons of plugins, and also look forward to seeing you on lesson 5.